Hello and welcome to Design Cafe. I am Rukmini Saha, and in today's episode, we are going to dive into some amazing home interiors that can transform your home. So let's begin with the heart of any home, the kitchen. Modular kitchens are all about maximizing space and functionality, making them an essential choice for modern homes. Designed with the busy homeowner in mind, they blend style with practicality, ensuring that every inch of space is utilized effectively. Here, we have a stunning example with pull-out cabinets, hidden drawers, and smart storage options that make cooking a breeze. In this stunning example, you'll find pull-out cabins that provide easy access to pans and utensils, eliminating the need to rummage through cluttered shelves. Hidden drawers offer additional storage solutions, perfect for keeping your kitchen essentials organized and out of sight, while smart storage options like corner units and vertical racks optimize even the most awkward spaces. These modular kitchens don't just boost efficiency, they transform the cooking experience into something truly enjoyable. Whether you're preparing a quick meal or hosting a dinner party, the thoughtful design ensures that everything you need is right at your fingertips, all while adding a stylish flair to your daily routines. In the bedroom, this rotating TV unit is a game changer. The 360-degree rotation feature adds flexibility, giving you complete control over your viewing experience while keeping the room organized and clutter-free. It not only provides entertainment but also creates 20% extra space, making your bedroom more spacious and comfortable. The clever design allows you to enjoy your favorite shows from any angle while keeping the room organized. Plus, the seamless integration of technology and furniture maximizes both function and form. There is so much you can explore when you visit our experience center. Visit us near you. Next, let's explore some truly stunning wardrobe designs that blend functionality with aesthetic appeal. Whether you prefer sliding doors that save space and offer a sleek look, or traditional hinge doors that bring a classic touch, there's a wardrobe style for every taste. These wardrobes aren't just about storing clothes. They are designed to make your life easier with built-in organizers that keep everything in its place. The use of high-quality materials ensures durability and a premium feel. Additionally, custom features like adjustable shelving and pull-out racks provide personalized storage solutions for every need. Beyond the practical aspects, these wardrobe designs also enhance the overall decor of your space. With clean lines, modern handles, and a variety of finishes to choose from, you can select a design that complements your room style, whether it's minimalist, traditional, or something in between. We also have some exciting design highlights to elevate your living room and bedroom, transforming them into spaces that are as beautiful as they are functional. Every detail in these rooms is carefully considered to create a harmonious blend of aesthetics and practicality, ensuring your home not only looks stunning but also meets your everyday needs. In the living room, you'll find multifunctional furniture that's designed to adapt seamlessly to your lifestyle. Imagine a coffee table that doubles as storage or a sofa that easily converts into a guest bed. These smart solutions add up to 20% extra usable space in your home, making it feel more open and versatile. Moving on to the bedroom. The focus is on comfort and convenience, with everything you need right at your fingertips. From built-in wardrobes with customizable storage options to beds with integrated lighting and storage, these designs make the most of every inch of space. Thank you so much for joining us on this episode of Innovative Home Design Ideas. If you really enjoyed the video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Design Cafe. Also, click on the bell icon to never miss an update from Design Cafe. I'll see you again in the next episode.